Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Several notable companies on the Jamaica Stock Exchange have released their most recent financial results. Seprod Limited audited financials for the 12 months ended December 31, 2024, reports a year-end net profit of 3.33 billion Jamaican dollars. Omni Industries Limited unaudited financials for the first quarter ended March 31, 2025, reports 60% decrease in 3 months net profit. Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited unaudited financials for the first quarter ended March 31, 2025, reports a 31% increase in 3 months net profit. Fosterich Group Chief Executive Officer Cecil Foster announced plans for the Hamptons Trelawney during a Jamaica Investment and Housing Forum at the Resort World Hotel in Queens, New York. The real estate development overlooking the Falmouth cruise ship pier, the Hamptons, will offer homeowners extensive jogging trails stretching up to 550 meters, strategically placed gazebos for outdoor recreation, and an environmentally conscious bird sanctuary within the gated community. And I quote, "It's going to be very, very unique," Foster said, noting that the project will deliver over 600 housing units ranging from modern apartment complexes to elegant stand-alone homes with 2, 3, and 4 bedroom options. Foster also unveiled plans for a 300,000 square foot commercial complex which will serve the residents of the Hamptons and surrounding communities. The Bank of Jamaica is reporting that the country's net international reserves climbed by US $73.2 million to approximately US $5.9 billion in April. This is up from $5.8 billion in March. The increase was due to a US $74 million spike in its foreign assets. That said, the central bank noted that net remittances fell to US $2.9 billion during the fiscal year 2024-2025, compared with $3.1 billion during the previous year. The BOJ says this is due to a fall in inflows to US $3.1 billion and outflows to US $212.5 million, compared with inflows of US $3.37 billion and outflows of US $233.6 million for the previous period. For the trading period ending May 12, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 6,288,050 units traded, representing 40.93% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 2,355,414 units traded, representing 15.33% of market sales volume. Billboard advertising and real estate developer Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 1,159,022 units traded, representing 7.54% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rates set by the Bank of Jamaica. On May 12, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $60.81 million purchased and US $59.05 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.26 per dollar, selling the US at $159.99 and buying the US at $158.73. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.06 per transaction, with selling at $114.52 and buying at $113.46. The British pound yielded Forex traders $3.60 in profits, with selling at $212 and buying at $208.40. For our credit report tip of the day, your credit score is not just a number. It's a reflection of your financial rhythm. And when you are presenting your business idea to someone who can help you fund it, that rhythm needs to be consistent, confident, and credit worthy. So keep building intentionally. Here are some suggestions from financial experts. You can think about using your credit score to unlock better interest rates. Good credit means less risk for lenders, and that translates into lower borrowing costs for you. Another idea is to use your credit score to strengthen investor confidence. Investors want to back capable founders. Your credit history can quietly affirm you're one of them. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.